Welcome. In front of me is a TCL Tab 10 Gen 2, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now with that being said, doing so through recovery mode will also allow you to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. And I do have a pattern set, so I'll progress from the lock screen as though I don't know my pattern. And number one, we're going to turn off our device by holding the power button and selecting power off. When the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. Now, when you see the TCL logo on a screen, you want to let go of the power button but keep holding volume up. There we go. As you can see, I let go of the power button. And we are now in the recovery mode. In here, we will need to use the volume buttons to navigate through this menu. And so with that in mind, select Wipe Data, Factory Reset, and then confirm it using your power button. And select Factory Data Reset. At the bottom, we have a little message that it's formatting data. And then under this sticker, you would see that data wipe as complete, at which point reboot system now would be selected by default. So you would just press power button once again to initiate the reboot, and this will now continue the reset of the tablet in the background. And once it's completed, we'll then be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.